Hey there, Land Cruiser Toyota World. This is Cruising the Land, and I'm at the Toyota event here in Anaheim. Let's flip this camera. I'm going to show you the build competition. So there was 18 entries. 5 cars didn't get finished being built, so 13 are here. This is my buddy's FJ40. We're going to come back and do a walk around of that one. It is sweet. This is mine. If you follow the channel, that's Green Machine. So got her all dolled up, cleaned up. We'll do a walk around at the end of that. But check these out. Look at this pickup truck. So let me get the years of it. They kind of put them like side by side, you know, from the same type of year. So a 79 4-wheel drive. Look at this one. Just the paint on these two. It's just so nice. So this one's an 83 pickup truck. This one's kind of special because it is just built to go on desert trails. So a 2002 4Runner. Look at this. Look at that suspension. So he's got it on a cherry picker. That's just to show this 4-link setup. Pretty crazy. All right. Then we got this Tacoma here. Entered in the show. Very nice. Suicide doors. All right. Then we have some old school pickups. Check out this thing, just cherry. That's an 87 4Runner. Here we have Project 85.
That's the thing.
Very nice. Check out the paint on these. So clean. And then an 85 4Runner. So a lot of pickups showed up for this show. And speaking of pickups, check out these 3 entries. So these are the stouts that we only came in the US for 2 years. I believe it was 67 and 68. That's real patina, folks. Just that patina is so cool. And there are 3 here. This one slammed. I saw when he rolled up on the airbags and then it lowered it. So yeah, 67 stout. And then this one, just a totally built, lifted stout. This thing's so cool. I remember on Instagram, I did a video on this one. It just got mad views. So on Instagram, I'm Land Cruiser 949. If you ever want to see, if you're ever on Instagram, it's all 15, 30-second videos, eye candy, of course, to pretty cool tunes. And then here we have a pickup truck. So this is an 85. So let's go back. Look at that 70 series. Sick. All right. So Land Cruiser wise, only 2 entries. So we'll see how the Land Cruisers fare. But by the way, this build competition, it's a $10,000 first prize judges vote. So judges walked around with like a certain criteria when they're looking at these trucks. Those 2 should have entered. You had to pay $300 to enter, and grand prize 10 grand. Now there's people's choice, so people are walking around with voting. They scale cars. There's my little mirror you can see underneath. That's in case I land on my lid, or if I'm sideways, or if I got a nice flex. Anybody there on the trail can see that sticker, little Easter egg. And then, yeah, the people's choice, 3 grand. So pretty crazy, the prize money they put out on this. So that's a custom color on this. It's called Goodwood Green. It's an Audi color. I got one of my half doors just to show that. Those 4 sticks is gear selector, of course, gear shift, high, low, 2-wheel, 4-wheel, and this one right here is my rear diff manual cable. All right, so on 40 Trepadors as well as my buddy's build. We're both 1972 FJ40s. He elected to remove his spare tire, and if you ever get stuck on the trail, take the tire off, seal it up, get off the trail. So no spare, or he can't even use mine because he's got Dana's and I have Toyota FJ60 axle and FJ80 axle in the back. But he's also on 40s, also sporting the 5.7 liter V8, like out of a Tahoe. That's plenty of power to roll these 40s. And he just got this custom paint job. It's just beautiful. I even like how the color plays off, like it's a slight different color for the Kings versus being color matched. I think it gives the right pop. Oh, look at that. So nice. He just put an Atlas transfer case, gear selector, hub lockers, Detroit locker. So this thing, very capable. Both these rigs have been to Rubicon, Doozy Ursham, trails out in Southern California, Big Bear, you name it. Those are just shakedown runs in Big Bear before the big trails. All right, what would you vote for, guys? So stay tuned. By the end of the video, I will share with you who won out of these 13 entries, the judges' vote, and who won the people's choice. Also, we'll see if we get some flex ramp in this video too. This is actually the 4th annual Yota Nights, and as you can tell, it's pretty busy. Flex ramp coming up next. Stay tuned. Alright, so Garo's truck, my buddy, is gonna go up the flex ramp. Let's check it out.
You're rolling both ways, though. 407 5691. Okay, we're gonna do the tires next. Set up 35-inch tires. Shake it, shake it. You have to rest on the passenger seat. Let me know when to stop.
We want you to know the black
Go over to Jeff so he can call the winners.
All right, guys, so it was actually a really close race. People's Choice that was nominated by all supporters here that came out to judge. Thank you guys for coming out and supporting. Anyways, here goes. So really close ballot race. But the People's Choice Award goes to number 18, Daro with a 72 Land Cruiser, man. So, $3,000 check goes to you, sir. And we got the trophy here for him. Yeah, you gotta make it official here. How do you want it, in hundreds or 20s? And 5s. Look at that, it's official, man. So yeah, take it to your bank, cash this bad boy. Stick it through the ATM.
It was the flex wrap.
All right, guys, so this next grand prize winner was determined by only 4 points, man. 4 points. 4 points. And the grand prize winner for this contest 2024 Build-Off Challenge goes to number 16, Tom Allen. Tom Allen, make it up here, buddy.
The red one. The red one beside me, the pickup. That's clean. The 84.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
Or no, 1989.
4 points was the only determining factor between this band. And we want to thank every single one of you participants because it was an absolute rat race, man. You guys did a phenomenal job building these builds.
Take a picture.
We really thank you guys for coming out and supporting
Send it to me.
and participating because it was. Mike, I'm gonna let you. Tom, I'm gonna let you take the microphone.
So for reference, this is the winner of the Yota Nights, number 16. The car parked beside me. When he rolled up, I said, hey, do you want to hedge our bets and go 50-50? Wow. So this was the winner. Super nice. And my buddy, FJ40, he won People's Choice. He actually asked the guys counting, afterwards when he won, he's like, who was second? It was actually my FJ40. So people like Land Cruisers, folks, because that's People's Choice. But this is the People's Choice. You saw it earlier in the sun where it just looked amazing. All right, just cleaned my lens, that's better. But that is the winner of People's Choice. So judges are looking for, squeaky clean underneath and all. People's Choice, they're choosing what they like, what they see, and they're not crawling underneath and all. Look at that, man. People's Choice right there. You got 3 grand. And the winner over here, 10 grand. All right, well, subscribe for all things Land Cruiser. And, well, out of the Toyotas, People's Choice, looks like the Land Cruisers did pretty good. All right, thanks for tuning in. Happy trails.